Asahin ko na lang ang Kudingling, Pagkakasawin. First of all, on behalf of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Lanao del Norte Chapter, and other fellow elected officials, our sincerest gratitude for having us here in Japan, creating memories that will last for a lifetime. With you, Governor Angking Quebrasa de Mamporo, and Congressman Abdullah Babi de Mamporo. What a great opportunity celebrating a special day tonight with our visionary and beloved father of peace and development in the province of Lanao del Norte, Congressman Abdullah Babi de Mamporo.
Thank you.
For us personally in the municipality of Nunungan, we would like to take this opportunity to convey our deepest gratitude for the boundless and unwavering support you have extended that made Nunungan a competitive municipality, turning it from a sleeping municipality to a progressive one. Finally, Nunungan is now, for the very first time, an awardee of the Seal of Good Local Governance. This could not have been possible without the good leadership of our provincial leaders, with the able leadership of Governor Angking Quebrasa de Mamporo, and this would also be our legacy as we, Governor and I, are both last termer. We cannot imagine how Nunungan looks like without the support and guidance of our provincial leaders, again with the able leadership of Governor Angking Quebrasa de Mamporo, and with collaborative efforts of Congressman ADD and de Mamporo as a whole. So we thank you so much. The former Congressman Abdullah Babi de Mamporo, wishing you a very happy and fulfilling birthday. As President of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Lanao del Norte Chapter, and as a National Vice President of the LNP, I want to take a moment to acknowledge your exceptional leadership and the positive impact you have made on all of us on behalf of all the mayors in the province of Lanao del Norte. Your vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment